Alright, let's get started on our 8th day of 100 Days VibeCoding Games. Today we're going to pick from this list that I had Gemini create for me of 100 simple computer game ideas. And I think we will go with... Endless Flyer. I'm assuming it's going to be kind of like a Flappy Bird sort of thing. As usual, we're going to do it in JavaScript, and we're going to go into agent mode, and let's go. So again, I'm using Visual Studio Code, GitHub Copilot. I'm in agent mode, using GPT 4.1. Having it make a JavaScript game because it's the easiest for us to just get up off the ground and get testing. Looks like it's already ready. There it is. I died already because I wasn't ready, but here we go. All right. Yeah, score looks like it's working. The flying is working. Good, good, good. Cool. All right, that was super quick, so let's just say, let's click on keep. Please make an improvement of your choice. So we're just going to have it pick some improvement to make. Because I don't have anything specific in my mind right now for improving on it, so why not have our coding agent choose for us? Features a moving star field background, and the player is drawn as a tilted triangle. Ah, cool, cool. Let's check it out. Gotta refresh. I like that. I like that. Cool, cool, cool. Alrighty, let's go ahead and make another improvement. Please. I'll keep my typo in there because it's smart enough to figure it out. All right. A dynamic trail effect has been added behind the player. Let's see what that looks like. Cool, cool. Oh, that's a little buggy. Shall we tell it about the bug? Let's go ahead and tell it about the bug. The trail effect has a bug. It's fine when flying upward, but moves out in front of the player when flying down. Do I have that backwards? Yeah, I have it backwards. It's fine with flying downward, but moves out in front of the player when flying upward. Good. Always appear behind the player. Let's see what happens. Nope. Oh, I didn't refresh. I don't think. There we go. All right, cool. All right, go ahead and make one more improvement of your choice. All right, cool. I was actually wishing that the obstacles looked nicer, so let's see. Ah, very nice. Very nice. Oh. You know what? I lied. I'm going to have it make one more improvement, I think, although this could end up biting me in the butt here. While I like the trailing effect, I think it'd be cooler to have it be like particles coming out of the back, almost like the engine whatever, flames. Can you change up the particle, the trailing effect to be fire-like particles? Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Hopefully it didn't just break things. I mean, that's not that bad. Let's see what it says. Further tweaks. Tweak the particle effect to have more of a backward, what would you call that? Backward trail? Yeah, let's try that. I didn't really word that great, but it might be able to pick up on what I'm trying to say. Yep, that's exactly what I want. Let's see if it actually did it, though. Yes, much, much, much better. I think that's perfect. All right, folks. This was day 8 of 100 Days Vibe Coding Games. Today we did a sort of Flappy Bird spin using Visual Studio Code's GitHub Copilot in agent mode with GPT 4.1, using a list that I generated in Gemini and having it make 3, 4, 5 improvements. And that's about that. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or questions or whatever. And until next time, happy coding.